Hello my dear students, welcome to Prudence Coaching English class. In this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CVSE and WBBSE solutions. As usual, today we came up with another important chapter of your book, that is Ravi and the Weeping Princess 1. Today we will continue with the question answer of this particular chapter.
And my dear students, in this particular video, we will also explain the language part of this chapter. So let's start with the topic. Question number 1. What did Ravi do as soon as he woke up? Answer. Ravi got up as soon as he woke up. He felt pleased when he woke up because it was a bright day and he was going to play football with his friend Ashok. Next question. What sort of noise does thunder make? Answer. Thunder makes a loud crashing noise and a deep rumbling noise. Next question. What was Uncle Mike's present to Ravi? Answer. Uncle Mike brought a large brown packet for Ravi as a present. Inside the packet there was an old album and metal box which had many stamps. Next question. Why did Uncle Mike present Ravi his stamp album? Answer. Uncle Mike gave the album to Ravi because his own children had all grown up and gone abroad. He no longer had any use for it. Next question. Where were Uncle Mike's own children? Answer. Uncle Mike's own children had all grown up and gone abroad. Next question. What was wrong with every 21st stamp on a sheet of 100? Answer. On every 21st stamp on a sheet of 100, there was a tiny colored mark under the princess' eye that looked like a tear. These princess stamps were rare, so they were more valuable than the others. Next question. What was the first postage stamp called? Answer. The first postage stamp was called the penny black. Next question. Did Uncle Mike like dosas? How do we know? Answer. We know that Uncle Mike liked dosas because he came to their house on Sundays at breakfast time. Because he loved Ravi's mother's cooking, especially her dosas. He thought that Ravi's mother was the best cook in the world. Next question. Why did people pay high prices for the forged stamp? Answer. People paid high prices for the forged stamp because they thought they were real. Next question. What is the use of collecting old stamps? Do you have a stamp album? Answer. Stamp collecting is generally accepted as one of the areas that make up the wider subject of philately, which is the study of stamps, or it may be just a hobby for anyone to collect stamps. Next part, that is, do you have a stamp album, will be answered by you. If you have a stamp album, then you will answer it like this. Yes, I have a stamp album. If you don't have, then you will answer that I don't have a stamp album. Let us move on to the next question. When Ravi found that it was going to rain, he was sad. What other emotions or feelings did he have, and how did he show these feelings? Answer. When the weather changed and he heard thunder, Ravi became gloomy. Gloomy means sad. He became sad because now he would not be able to go out and play football. Ravi pushed his hand deep into his pocket and kicked a stone that was on the path to show these feelings. Next question. Answer the questions about the line from this story. So you need to answer this question about this story, and the sentence given to you is, as soon as they got inside the house, Ravi opened the packet. So based on this particular line, you need to answer the questions. First question is, who had given Ravi the packet? Answer. Uncle Mike had given Ravi the packet. Next, answer the questions about the line from the story. As soon as they got inside the house, Ravi opened the packet. What was this person doing in Ravi's house? Answer. Uncle Mike usually came to visit Ravi's family at this time on a Sunday because he loved eating dosas and thought that Ravi's mother was the best cook in the world. Next question is, what was inside the packet? Answer. Uncle Mike brought a large brown packet for Ravi as a present. Inside the packet there was an old album and a metal box full of stamps. Next, was it useful gift on a day like this? What was the day like? Answer. It was going to be a rainy day, so it was a useful gift. Ravi would be able to sort out the stamps indoors. Means Ravi could sit inside the room and just arrange the stamps, so it was a useful gift on this rainy day. Let us move on to the next part, that is working with words. First question is, match the following abbreviations and their meanings. First one is IB, which means pound or pounds. It is a unit of weight. Next is F, that is Fahrenheit. Next is age. You can call it hour or hours. Next is DEC, that is December. MAR, that is March. MPH means miles per hour. Any means northeast. MA means Master of Arts. It's a degree. BC, before Christ. DR means doctor. Next, find the appropriate adjective and match them with the following. Bright day. Here day is the noun and bright is the adjective. Next is loud noise. Here noise is the noun and loud is the adjective. Old Austin, large packet, tall Englishman, weeping princess, rare stamps, stamp album, delicious puri, metal box. As you can see here, day, noise, Austin, packet, Englishman, princess, stamps, album, puris, box, all these are nouns, and here bright, loud, old, large, tall, weeping, rare, stamp, delicious, metal, all these are working as the adjective. Let us move to the next word, that is learning about language. Look at these sentences. See if you can say what the following tenses are. You need to find out the type of tenses given in these sentences. My dear students, if you want to learn the complete tenses from the basic till the high level, then you must go through our video which has been uploaded in this particular channel, that is complete tenses. There we have used the easiest example and the easiest method to make you understand what the tenses are. Let us continue. My brother was jumping over the fence. Here my brother is the subject, was jumping is the verb, and next is the other part of the sentence. Here was jumping, it is a part of past continuous because we are using was, were according to the subject and we are adding ing with the verb here. That is the main verb. Next, he often jumps over the fence. Here this is a simple present as we are using often, or you are saying that it is a continuous or repeated action, so it is simple present tense here. Next, suddenly he fell over. Fell means here we are using simple past tense with the subject he. Salim is saving all his money. Here Salim is the subject, is a be verb in present tense and we are adding ing with the verb, that is main verb. So here the verb or the tense is in present continuous. Next, the soldiers fought bravely. Here the soldiers is the subject and fought is the simple past tense of the verb given. Next one, she was singing as she walked. Here she is the subject, was is a be verb in past tense and we are adding ing with the main verb. So here the tense is in past continuous tense. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like this video and also subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Students, if you find any problem or any queries on any particular part, or if you think that we should make any video on any chapter which will be helpful for you, then comment below. And students, don't forget to press on the bell icon to get regular update of any videos uploaded in this particular channel. And students, check our playlist for the videos arranged in order. Thank you.